there's a lot of fog. So look at this. Can you believe it? I've actually managed it very slowly. Last weekend, I went to my local birding hotspot, but I was in for a huge surprise. I started the day at 7:30 a.m., which is a bit late, but I expected a little fog. Okay, so I was expecting some fog, but this is something else. Like I can't even see 10 feet in front of me, let alone any birds. I can hear them though. But this is just ridiculous. Look at this. There's nothing there. It's just completely white. I'm back at Najafgarh Lake, and the conditions are less than ideal. The visibility is quite poor, and there's a lot of fog. So it's quite pretty outside, but I'm not sure how the pictures are gonna come out. But I'm gonna set up, and then we'll see what we can get. So it's almost 8:30 now, but the visibility is just getting worse and worse, and I'm not sure if you can see the sun behind me. Like it's right over there. It's barely visible. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I was hoping I could get some nice moody pictures, but I feel like even that would be impossible. Well, if nothing else, we get to enjoy a nice cold morning out in nature. With some hope and excitement, I tried to look at this as an opportunity, but I couldn't make it work. The birds were barely visible, and the camera struggled. I had almost no autofocus, and you can see the image quality. Tried to move around a bit, hoping to find a better angle, but it felt like a lost cause. It had been over an hour, but the fog seemed to be getting worse. I decided to give it a little more time, left most of my gear, and just took the camera and lens. I walked to a place where I knew I'd see cormorants. And I did, but our friend, the fog was still around. And then finally, it's 9:30, and the weather has finally started to change a bit. I mean, I'm feeling the warmth, and some light is starting to show, and the blue of the water is starting to be visible again. And I'm here sitting with small cormorants. So I would I would honestly love to get a little bit lower to their eye level, but that would be far too close. Can you believe it? I've actually managed it. Very slowly crawled down below, and I've come eye level with the coconuts. It's pretty amazing that they've become comfortable with my presence over here. I decided to stay put and relax with them. That's when I saw this purple heron fly in. I wasn't quite ready for it, and the color of the bird with that background just isn't great. And then this sandpiper landed on the perfect perch. I was so excited that I missed a couple of shots, but it stayed for some really good pictures. And then this other cormorant came and demanded the perch. And boy, did he deliver some nice photos. As these birds were flying around, I really wanted a good action shot, but I need to work on my technique for those. Now a bit satisfied and tired, I decided to head back. On my way, I spotted a piranha for a brief moment. If you remember, I said I got a not so nice picture of a purple heron. Well, as luck would have it, I found one perched on a faraway tree and made sure to get a sharp image before scaring it. Now my camera battery is almost dead, but to top it all off, I got a decent, not perfect, action shot of a cormorant. I had such an amazing time, and to think I'd almost given up and gone back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.